Hello everyone, it's Briona here with the Peach Lifestyle, and today I'm going to bring you a review video on Smile Direct. They make aligners to straighten your teeth, and I've been with Smile Direct for about 5 months now, and I want to give my review. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep my retainer or my aligners in for almost the whole duration of the review so you can hear what I sound like, especially if you go back and watch my other videos. You can kind of hear the difference in my voice, maybe even right now, and you can see what it looks like to talk with your aligners in. So I'll get right into my Smile Direct review. So first things first, you will go to Smile Direct's website and you will order an impression kit. I believe they're like $79. To me, the impression kit is too expensive, in my honest opinion, especially because it's not super user friendly. Perhaps going to a Smile Direct office would be best. That way there's no room for error, because in your impression kit you're doing the molding yourself. So you're having to mix putties together, align the tray, set it, make sure it's right. You're doing that 2 times, and you have to mail it off. And there's a lot of things that could not be done well, I guess you could say. And that could totally mess up your aligners that they send to you. And I feel like that may have been the case for me. Okay, so I sent in my impression kit and they approved my impressions, because sometimes they may not approve your impressions and then you would have to do it all over again. So they may send you an email after a while. If they don't hear back from you, they may send you an email to go ahead and schedule another impression or maybe visit an office. But it's quite an extensive process, so you want to be sure to get it right on your first time, or just go to an office. But yeah, the price I don't agree with. Anyway, so I sent my impressions off and they sent me this box. It was really cool. I wasn't expecting the box to be so big. You can kind of see it's like almost the same size as my head. So they sent me this box. It says, "Open for a lifetime supply of confidence." And before I had Smile Direct, my teeth were straight. I just wanted them to be perfect. And so I know you're looking at my teeth now and are like, your teeth are fine. My teeth look very similar to this beforehand. And I'll put in this video before and after pictures so you can see what my teeth look like before the aligners and what they look like right now. So this is the box that my aligners came in. Let me open it correctly. Okay. So this is the box that my aligners came in, and I'm gonna open the box. It opens like this. Share your smile journey. Hashtag what makes me smile. So, and then there's the inside. And on the inside are trays with each month's worth of aligners. So you can kind of see they have these bags, and I won't show you the top part, but it'll say what month and what week, so you can transition on schedule. And then at the top, they have this kit. So you can see I haven't used my retainer tray. I kind of just put them in paper towels, which is not a good thing because they could be thrown away. But you definitely want to use your retainer tray, which is really nice shade of purple. That's the retainer tray. And there's a whitening kit at the bottom, which is very important because I noticed that my teeth got a little yellow by using the retainers, even though I brush and floss regularly, I guess because what I eat kind of stays in the retainer as I go throughout my day. So it kind of makes your teeth yellow. And there's some more literature in there, a little guide. And then, like I said, there's these trays in there with all of the sheets or all of the packaging of the different aligners. And it tells you who made your aligners. So that's what's in the box. So every week you put in the next set of aligners, and they're really tight at first. And then, of course, that means your teeth are shifting, which is a good thing. And then you'll get to the end, and then they're supposed to send you an official, I guess, more sturdy retainer. So I haven't gotten that yet, so I'm still waiting on that. So they're supposed to, but we'll see. So now I'm going to take my retainers out, or my aligners out, so you can see what they look like and what the aligner looks like and what my teeth actually look like, which I noticed were totally different because when I looked through the box and I saw how my teeth were supposed to look at the end, I was like, oh my goodness, my teeth are perfectly straight. But now that I'm at the end, I'm like, my teeth aren't perfectly straight. So it's like, what do I do now? So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Sorry, it's not super glamorous, but these are my top aligners. So they look like the standard aligners that you see on TV and things like that. So these are my top teeth, pretty straight. So I don't have a problem with my top teeth. These are my aligners for my bottom teeth. These aligners are very straight, right? But these are what my bottom teeth actually look like. Can you see my teeth kind of going off to the side? That's not what it looks like in this aligner tray. Let me put it kind of, can y'all see the difference? And I know I'm being particular, but when you're paying $1,800 for something, you want it to be right. So it's not right. It doesn't match up with the tray. So I'm disappointed in that. There has been an improvement. It's just not, my teeth aren't where they're supposed to be, and nor are they where I would like for them to be. So aligners, they do improve, but they do not perfect. And I am now considering braces as an option as well, because I really, really desire straight teeth. That's kind of like my own thing. Anyway, drop down in your comments and let me know if you have an experience with the invisible braces or the invisible aligners, and tell me a little bit about your journey and if you're happy with your results. All right. Thank you. Don't forget, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.